Let me ask you a question. How many of you are familiar with the word printer? I must say, almost all of you are familiar with this term. It's because printer nowadays has become an integral part of our life. Yes, it's been used for various purposes such as scanning text and documents, printing high quality photos, graphics, banners, holdings, books, and so on. And the printers such as laser printers, solid ink printers, LED printers, dot matrix printers, and so on are used in different places. For example, home, school, college, offices, etc. So because of all this, you must have been familiar with the printer, right? Did you notice anything here? If not, let me tell you. The printers here we discussed are used for 2D purposes. What I mean by 2D purpose is that they are used for 2D scanning or 2D printing. Can it be possible for a printer to print 3D things? Wow, isn't it exciting? Obviously it is, right? Well, this has already become possible with the help of 3D printers. Yes guys, these 3D printers already exist. And in this video, you are gonna get the detailed information about 3D printing technology. It's a new emerging technology that uses computer-aided design or CAD software to create 3D objects layer by layer. CAD is a type of software with the help of which several types of 3D models are designed in a computer. The 3D models designed by CAD are then used by 3D printers to convert them from digital 3D models to real 3D models. 3D printers use materials like molten plastic or powders to create amazing and beautiful 3D models. Nowadays, 3D printing technology is used in several fields like engineering, manufacturing, dentistry, healthcare, education, entertainment, jewelry, and audiology. In dentistry, 3D printers are used to produce highly accurate orthodontic models, restorations, dentures, aligners, as well as surgical guides. In healthcare, they are used for prototyping and designing anatomical models and medical devices. Likewise, hyper-realistic sculptures, character models, and props are created in the entertainment industry by utilizing 3D printing technology. 3D printers are used for making incredible designs and prototypes of jewelry. Several custom earbuds are made using 3D printers. Due to the wide application of 3D printing technology on an industrial scale, this technology is also known as additive manufacturing. Today, several types of 3D printing technologies are used on a wide variety of platforms, out of which three major or most commonly used types are stereolithography (SLA), selective laser sintering (SLS), and fused deposition modeling (FDM). Stereolithography is most commonly used for industrial purpose. It's because the parts produced by stereolithography are highly detailed with smooth surface finishes. To be more precise, stereolithography is widely used in medical industry, aerospace, and automotive industries. Secondly, we have selecting laser sintering technique. In this type of 3D printing process, nylon, a thermoplastic material, is commonly used as printing material. It is used for complex prototyping, producing parts, automotive designs, medical devices, and military hardware. Due to its thermoplastic nature, the materials made by selective laser sintering are quite durable, stronger, and suitable for functional testing, but have rougher surface finishes. Finally, we have fused deposition modeling, which is also known as fused filament fabrication (FFF). This type of process utilizes polymers as the raw material. In this process, a filament of thermoplastic material is melted and then deposited layer by layer. By this way, 3D models are designed using fused deposition modeling. It's a cost-effective and quick method for producing physical models. This technique is mostly utilized in automobile industry to design testing models and lightweight tools. Despite being affordable, this technology lacks strength, and smooth surface finishes. But day by day, 3D printing technology is getting more and more advanced. 3D printing technology has greatly contributed to various industries by its several benefits. Some benefits are cost-effective, precise design modifications, customization, design freedom, reduced risk, rapid prototyping, and time saving. The growth of 3D printing technology is increasing at rapid pace. In many countries, 3D printing technology is used for designing 3D houses. 3D printing technology is going to have lots of possibilities in days to come. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned something interesting about 3D printing technology from this video.